There's a new buzz in productivity, Tana. It's not just another note-taking app. It aims to be your all-in-one workspace, replacing the scattered apps we juggle daily. Tana's mission? End digital fragmentation by uniting notes, tasks, and projects in one interconnected system. Unlike Notion or Roam, Tana blends structure and flexibility, letting you link tasks, meetings, and goals seamlessly. Its daily notes and graph-based structure encourage you to capture everything, then connect and organize as you go. Tana adapts to your thinking, not the other way around. And that's where its magic lies. Let's dive into what makes Tana truly different. Tana's standout feature is the super tag. More than a super tag is a customizable template you can apply to any note, instantly giving it structure and context. For example, tag a book note with hashbook and fields like author, status, and rating appear, turning plain text into structured data. You can create super tags for meetings, projects, contacts, whatever fits your workflow. Unlike Notion's rigid databases, Tana lets you capture ideas first, then add structure later. This mirrors how ideas evolve. Start messy, organize when ready. The real power comes with live searches. Instantly generate dynamic lists, tables, or Kanban boards from your tagged data. As you update information, your views update automatically. Tana isn't just a notes app, it's a personal operating system for your brain. That's what sets it apart. Tana's power comes with a learning curve. While basic note-taking is easy, mastering super tags and live searches takes time and patience. The blank canvas approach is empowering for some, overwhelming for others. Thankfully, Tana offers templates, tutorials, and a supportive community to help you get started. Tana shines for systems thinkers, those who love customizing workflows and building their own productivity systems. If you want plug-and-play simplicity, Tana might feel like overkill. But if you crave deep customization and interconnected knowledge, it's a dream come true. Be ready to invest time up front. The payoff is worth it. After using Tana daily, I'm convinced it's one of the most innovative productivity tools out there. Its blend of flexibility and structure has replaced several apps in my workflow. Tana is still evolving, especially on mobile, but the core experience is already robust. The subscription price is premium, so consider if its value matches your needs. For knowledge workers, the investment pays off in clarity and efficiency. For casual users, the cost and complexity may be a barrier. Tana isn't just another app. It's a glimpse into the future of personal knowledge management. If you're ready to commit, it could revolutionize how you work and think.